Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to discuss collagen stimulation and how it can help you reduce wrinkles, regardless of your age. If you've been struggling with wrinkles and fine lines, this video is a must-watch. I'll be sharing a DIY collagen-boosting mask that can turn back the clock, and the best part is you can make it at home using natural ingredients. But before we dive in, if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you never miss our beauty tips and secrets. Thank you for your support. So, let's get started. First, let's talk about what collagen is and why it's crucial for our skin. Collagen is a protein naturally found in our skin, responsible for maintaining its firmness, plumpness, and youthful appearance. However, as we age, our collagen production decreases, leading to wrinkles, fine lines, and sagging skin. The good news is there are ways to stimulate collagen production, and one of the most effective methods is through collagen-boosting ingredients. These ingredients contain components that can increase collagen production, ultimately reducing wrinkles and fine lines. Now, let's explore why these ingredients are fantastic for your skin. Citrus fruits like oranges and lemons are rich in vitamin C, a potent antioxidant that protects your skin and stimulates collagen production. Organic honey acts as a natural humectant, hydrating your skin and improving its texture. Aloe vera gel is soothing and reduces inflammation and redness. Turmeric powder is a natural anti-inflammatory, promoting overall skin health. To make this mask, gather the following ingredients. 1/4 cup of fresh citrus juice, either orange or lemon. 1 tablespoon of organic honey. 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel, fresh from the plant if possible. A pinch of turmeric powder. Now, let's have some fun. Mix all the ingredients in a bowl until well combined. Apply the mask to your face and neck, avoiding your eyes and mouth. Relax and let the mask work its magic for 15 to 20 minutes or until it's completely dry. Then, rinse it off with warm water and pat your skin dry with a clean towel. This mask is a game changer for collagen production, reducing wrinkles and fine lines. Vitamin C brightens your skin and improves its texture, while honey and aloe vera gel provide hydration and soothing benefits. Turmeric powder reduces inflammation and enhances your skin's overall health. So, there you have it, my lovelies. A DIY collagen boosting mask that will make you look and feel fantastic. The best part? You can make it at home using fresh citrus fruits, organic honey, aloe vera gel, and turmeric powder. It's affordable, easy to prepare, and, most importantly, it works wonders for your skin. Remember to use this mask regularly for the best results. Consistency is key in skincare, so incorporate this mask into your weekly routine. As with any skincare regimen, always perform a patch test before trying new products or DIY remedies. Apply a small amount to a small area of your skin and wait 24 hours to check for any irritation or allergic reactions. If you experience redness, itching, or swelling, discontinue use immediately and consult a qualified healthcare provider or skincare professional. If you enjoyed this video, Give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button for more skincare tips and DIY remedies. If you have other DIY skincare recipes you'd like me to try, let me know in the comments below. I love hearing from you guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.